So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Manav. So, in this Python series, today we are discussing about the print statement, the print method, print inbuilt method, how we can use it, and what is a print. What first we are discussing what is a print, then we are discussing the parameter of the print and how we can use it, print statement inside our code base. Okay, so without any further discussion, let's get started. Uh, Let me open my VS Code. Okay. So basically print statement in Python print statement we are using it for printing something on a console. Okay. So in this video we are uh, taking a flashlight on four parameter which is there inside print, which is set and sip, sep sip and flash, and one more is which is bonus from my end, which is f string. Okay, so basically let's get started. So as I have already told you, so when some new people is started learning a Python, so everyone is started learning a Python from a hello world, printing a hello world in the console. So anything you want to print in a console, you have to use a print, which is inbuilt method in a Python. So when you're working on a large scale application, print more people are not using a print because print is printing everything on console. But in large scale enterprise solutions, you have to you don't print anything on console. So then enterprise solution people are using in logger. So that logger part we are discussing in upcoming videos. So let's first clear about print. Okay, so first parameter is sep sip. So let's this is like example, this is first variable, this is second variable. So using this you can print a variable value as well as the uh, name, and this is variable value, this is age, and this is the variable value. Okay, this is also same thing. Okay, then this is a first parameter which we have to discuss it, which is sep sip. So sip is basically separator. Sip is basically separator. So using separator you can inside your print statement, whatever value you have contained, you can add a separator using sip. Like if you can see, so by default the separator would be single space, but using sip you can add it in and modify that separator. Like if you can see here, we have added it space in a separator. So in output as well the space is already added. Okay, here we have add nothing. This is the my printing value, and in SAP I have added slash. So you can see the slash has been added on output. Here we have added nothing. So SAP is empty, so nothing is added on a value as well. So by default it's contains if you not put a SAP parameter, so by default it's contain single space. Okay, so using SAP you can do like this as well. So every value you can print into new line as well using SAP. Okay, then the end parameter. So in Python every print statement started from a new line. So using end parameter you can merge it, or you can print it on new line. So that is a provision which is given by the uh, Python community and Python developer. We can say like that every Python print ends with the new line by default. That's why each print states on a fresh line and change that set it to a space, and the next print continue on the same line. If you can see, I have already told you this. Okay, So if you can see, this is the one print statement and this is the second one print statement. So this both are we have printed. So this is coming this line and this second is coming on new line. Okay. So I have added this and. Okay. So when we have added this and, so I have added wand and inside its space. So everything is coming on a single line. Okay. So that is a main motto of and. You can combine all the text together on a single line. So this is the same example with the and. Okay. Now flash parameter. So Python is giving you the buffer output. So basically when you have to process with the large scale data inside loop, inside multi nested loop. Okay. So that time this flash will work very toughest role because you are iterating so much large amount of data inside the loop. It will process it, it will store again, it will iterate single value, then process, then store, iterate, process, store. So this flash is basically Python will be give you a buffer data buffer, so it will store it on a buffer. And so if you not use a flash parameter inside the print, so it will be immediately print whatever value you have printed on a console. If you use a flash, then for printing it will take some time. In this example, if you can see, I have print the loading, so it is take some of the slip because I have added a flash, so it will take around 3 to 4 millisecond break and it will print a value. Okay. Okay, so yes, this is the different variables are there, and this variable we are printing on a single line using this. Okay. And instead of this, you can in Python, after Python 3, all the version, the f string is also supporting. So I'll show you the f string example as well here. So if let's say this is f string. Okay. So inside, let's say we need to print first brand. Okay. So like example, like let's say we print product. Oh, sorry, f is outside the column. F should be outside the column. Okay. So Copilot has already given suggestion. No. So this is the f string. F string is basically when you have to merge a variable value with your print value. That time you can use it f string. So it is supported uh, more than a three version of Python, each and every. Okay, so you can use it. This is the same thing. So let's recap it. We have to discuss what is a print, why we are using print, then Python print parameter, separator, SEP, then and, then flash, then f string, which is bonus from my end. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and if you have any suggestion, please put it on comment. I'll read it out. Thank you.